Getting information out about coronavirus prevention efforts can be especially challenging in smaller rural counties. And right now we're joined by phone by the Deputy OES Director for Emergency Services for the Modoc County Sheriff's Office, Heather Hadwick. Heather, thank you so much for being with us today.
Thank you, Linda.
We've been following what's happening with a lot of counties, and from what I understand, Modoc being particularly rural, you may have unique challenges when it comes to getting the word out about what's happening with coronavirus.
We do. Our paper is only once a week. We have a lot of people that do not have access to internet or even cell phone coverage. So we've gotten creative. We're really trying to target our seniors because they are self-isolating, and we want to make sure they're getting that updated information. So we have put flyers in with information to go into their meals that are delivered a few times a week. We have people actually checking on them. One of the communities did an adopt a senior, and they check in every day and take them meals. It's been really great to see the community rally around and help support.
I think we have some video I'd like our folks to show of in fact, the flyer distribution, and like you mentioned, it's kind of the community rallying to help each other in some cases.
We really are. We're small and we're a really tight-knit community. So this social distancing is hard for us because we know everybody, and we're that town where you wave at everybody down the street. You're in line at the grocery store talking, and so we've had to adjust our lives, and but it's been nice to have that tightness so that we can check in on each other, and we know who might need that extra support or help.
I suppose the good news right now is that your county does not have any confirmed cases. Is that right?
We do not. We've been very lucky so far. We also are in a unique situation where we border two states, so we're keeping an eye, and we have contact with Washoe County and Lake County and Klamath counties to make sure we're updating on that too.
So it's not the case so much as like a big city where it's really difficult to maintain the distance between you and the next guy, but it is hard, again, because of the distance between homes and the distance that people might have to travel to get information.
Yes, yeah, and 75% of our workforce is essential, so we're trying to do that social distancing but still maintain our essential services that we need to in our county. So it's a challenge.
Real quickly, there was a phone number you wanted to get out to people if they have questions about what's happening in Modoc County. What's that phone number?
Yes, we opened a public information line. It's 233-1350, and we can get, if you need help with anything, really, we can tie you into resources, answer questions about COVID, get up-to-date statistics. We're really trying to redirect everyone to that one hub.
All right. Thank you so much for being with us today. We sure appreciate it. Heather Hadwick of Modoc County. And we are